Day 46 of Bible Bites. After the spies' rebellion, another major challenge arises. Korah leads a revolt against Moses and Aaron. God responds dramatically, then confirms Aaron's leadership in a powerful way. We're in Numbers 16 to 18, Psalm 46, and Proverbs 10:13 to 18. Let's see what happens when people challenge God's chosen leaders. Quick prayer. God, help us respect your authority and trust your leadership in our lives. Amen. Numbers 16. Korah, a Levite, Dathan, Abiram, and 250 leaders rebel against Moses and Aaron, saying, "You have gone too far. The whole community is holy." Moses falls face down and proposes a test. The rebels and Aaron each bring a censer with incense before the Lord. The earth opens and swallows Korah, Dathan, Abiram, and their families. Fire from the Lord consumes the 250 men offering incense. The people grumble again, blaming Moses. A plague breaks out. Aaron stands between the living and the dead with incense and makes atonement. The plague stops. Numbers 17. To confirm Aaron's leadership, God tells Moses to collect a staff from each tribal leader. Aaron's staff buds, blossoms, and produces almonds overnight. It is kept in the tabernacle as a sign. Numbers 18. God assigns duties and portions to the priests and Levites. The priests receive the offerings, the Levites receive tithes, but must give a tenth of that to the priests. Psalm 46. God is our refuge and strength, an ever-present help in trouble. Therefore we will not fear, though the earth give way. The Lord Almighty is with us. The God of Jacob is our fortress. Proverbs 10:13 to 18. Wisdom is found on the lips of the discerning. The wise store up knowledge, but the mouth of a fool invites ruin. The lips of the righteous know what is fitting, but the mouth of the wicked only what is perverse. Korah's rebellion shows the danger of pride and challenging God-appointed authority. The earth swallowing the rebels and Aaron's budding staff are clear signs from God. The priestly and Levite roles emphasize order, holiness, and service in worship. Psalm 46 is a powerful declaration of trust in God as our refuge even when everything shakes. Proverbs 10 contrasts the words and outcomes of the wise and the foolish. Real-life comparison. Korah's rebellion equals challenging authority or God's plan out of jealousy or pride, often leads to self-destruction. Aaron's budding staff equals God confirming his chosen leaders in undeniable ways. Psalm 46. God is our refuge equals finding peace and courage when life feels like it's falling apart. Family issues, school stress, anxiety. Proverbs 10 equals our words either build up with wisdom or tear down with foolishness. Today, submit to one area of God-given authority in your life with a humble heart. When everything feels unstable, declare Psalm 46. God is our refuge and strength. Speak words of wisdom and life instead of complaint or gossip. What's one situation where you need to trust God as your refuge today? Comment. Rebellion brings judgment, but God confirms his leaders and remains our refuge. Tomorrow, more wilderness challenges. Subscribe, share. See you tomorrow.